Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. I am back again with another very useful video and with a very fundamental strong share that deals in auto ancillary parts. And right now the current rate of this share is, as you can see, 527 rupees, and it made the high of rupees 840 rupees and the low is 505. So friends, right now the share is at a very good price, and if anybody wants to purchase this share, then it is the best time to purchase it. And one more thing I want to tell you, that in my last video I mentioned about the Vakrangi share, and that penny share gained rupees of 3 rupees it gained. That was on, when I made the video, that share was on 36 rupees and that made a high of 39 rupees. So if anybody has made the profit, they can mention me in the comment box. So again friends, the promoter holding in this share is, as you can see here, 67.18, and there are good amount of FI's holding is also there, that is below 9%, and domestic investors are also interested in this share, that is also in a very healthy investment is made by the domestic investors, that is 16%, and public holding is below 8%. So fundamentally it looks very strong share. Then next, if we want to see the reserves, then as you can see friends, in the March 2018 it was 98, then it in 2019 it came to 399, in 2020 it is 1084, then in 2021 it came down to 788, and in the March you can see it bounced back to 1389. So at that time its profit was an excellent one, and as the borrowings, you can see very less borrowings is there, that is almost 147, very much equal to nil balance, nil borrowings. So friends, fundamentally it is a very good share, and I hope I have mentioned everything. And one more thing is left. Right now the blue line is the price line of this share, and right now this blue line is less than its 50 DMA, and the gray line it is and the blue line is less than the 200 DMA also. So right now the share is at a very affordable and a very good price, and as you all can see, in the Friday's market its volume was a very good one. A long somebody has made a good investment in this share, and in the below bottom also you can see there are good volumes are seen. So friends, I think it is a very good share, and do consult with your financial advisors, and if they allows you, you can make this share as the part of your portfolio. So friends, if you find my efforts useful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the icon bell. And if you have any comments regarding this, you can WhatsApp me on my mobile number, that is 97911 And one more thing I want to tell you, that there is also one more channel, and that is a subsidiary of this channel. It is in the name of SPN Consultancy. So you can also visit that channel, and you can like it and subscribe it. And definitely you also will be gaining some different knowledge from that channel also. So thank you. Till then, good night.